Assalamualaikum and very good day to Dr. Fazrina. My name is Harisa Emilisah binti Harid Hafizah from BA 1114B. Today I will presenting my individual assignment which is road transport, and my case study is UPSI, which stands for University Pendidikan Sultan Idris bus accident in 2025. Road transport refers to the movement of passenger and freight using vehicles that operate on a prepared surface network of roads and highways such as cars, buses, and trucks. In this report, I will discuss about the characteristic advantages and disadvantages, infrastructure and network, policy, stakeholder, and issue and challenge of road transport. By exploring these components, the report offers clear insight into how road transport functions and why it remains vital for Malaysia economy and daily movement. Discussion can be related to the UPSI bus accident, which exposed major safety issues in road transport. The investigation found excessive speeding, a driver with multiple traffic offences, and a lack of proper safety features. This case highlights how weak enforcement, human error, and poor safety standards can lead to severe incidents and raise concern about the reliability of Malaysia's road transportation system. Next, we move to the characteristic of road transport. Dense and flexible network. Malaysia has an extensive road network of over 290,000 km, allowing access to almost all town, village, and production areas. Next, door-to-door accessibility. Road transport allows goods to be picked up and delivered straight to customer without needing transfer, making it vital for e-commerce and retail. Third one is low fixed cost, high variable cost. Roads are mostly government funded, but transport operators face high costs for fuel, tolls, and maintenance, so expenses depends on distance and fuel price. We have short to medium distance suitability. Road transport is most economical for trips under 300 km. Beyond that, rail or sea is cheaper per ton kilometer. Okay, the last one is integration role. Road link ports, airports, factories, and distribution hubs, playing an essential role in multimedia transport networks. Okay, next we move to advantages and disadvantages. For advantages, essential for national integration, which improve mobility and trade across peninsular and East Malaysia by supporting tourist and logistic growth. Okay, next, support just-in-time (JIT) operation. Industry like Proton and Produa rely on timely road deliveries. Next, the third one is door-to-door service. No transshipment needed, ideal for FMCG and courier service. The fourth one is flexibility in road and scheduling. Road and schedule can be adjusted quickly based on condition. And the last one is suitable for small loads and perishable. Next, disadvantages. Traffic congestion. Major cities like KL, Johor Bahru, and Penang often experience heavy traffic, causing delays and higher fuel use. Next, environmental impact. Road transport produces significant emission and use around 39% of Malaysia's total energy. The third one is accident risk. Human error, poor maintenance, and speeding contribute to frequent road accidents. The fourth one is high maintenance and fuel cost. Road wear out quickly, and rising diesel and toll costs increase logistic expenses. And the last one for disadvantages is limited efficiency for bulk freight, less suitable for long distance or high volume freight compared to the rail or sea. We are going to talk about infrastructure and networks. There are three main, which is major hubs, major roads, and network. For major hubs, city and urban centers like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Johor Bahru, major traffic and logistic hubs. Next, port and industrial area, Port Klang, Pasir Gudang, connected by highway for goods transport. Next, the last one is bus terminal. Terminal Bersepadu Selatan, TBS, Hentian Bus Shah Alam, is a key passenger hubs. Next, we have major roads, which is North-South Expressway (PLUS+), connect the northern and southern state of Peninsular Malaysia. The second one is East Coast Expressway, connect from Kuala Lumpur to Kuantan and the East Coast states. And the last one is federal and state roads, link smaller towns and rural areas to cities. The last one is network, which is primary network, major expressway linking large city and ports. Next, secondary network, state and district road connecting smaller towns. And the last one is tertiary network, local roads within towns, village, and residential areas. Now I will present about policy. First, we have National Transport Policy 2019 until 2030, which promotes logistic efficiency and road safety. Next, we have Commercial Transport, which manage freight and heavy vehicle efficiently with designated roads and permits. The third one, we have Traffic Management and Mobility Policy, which reduce congestion and improve flow of vehicle. Fourth one, we have MIROS, which stands for Malaysia Institute of Road Safety Research. It helps to run campaign on road safety, seatbelt use, and safe driving behavior. And the last one, we have Infrastructure Development Policies, which is used to plan, build, and maintain roads, highway, bridge, and supporting facilities. Now we are going to talk about issue and challenge of road transportation in Malaysia. First one, we have traffic congestion, which major cities like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru experience heavy traffic during peak hour. Next, we have aging infrastructure. Some roads, bridges, and highways such as older federal roads in Perak and Kedah require maintenance or upgrade. One is environmental concern, which high dependency on private vehicle, especially in urban areas like Kuala Lumpur and Shah Alam, contributes to high carbon emission and air pollution. So for the fourth one is poor driving culture. It's really unsafe behavior such as lane cutting, illegal parking, and using phone while driving are common. And the last one, we have cyclist facilities. Many areas, especially in suburban and rural locations like Klang, Butterworth, are lack safe sidewalks, zebra crossing, and bicycle lanes. Move to the stakeholder of road transport. First one, we have government agency, which include Road Transport Department, Royal Malaysia Police, Public Works Department, and the last one is Ministry of Transport. Next, we have transport operators, public bus companies such as RapidKL or Maraliner. Next, we have highway concessionaires, which is Plus Malaysia Berhad, and smart tunnel operators. Next, we have e-hailing such as Grab, logistic and freight companies such as DHL or JNT and Post Malaysia. Next, the last one is school bus and van operators. It's local, cooperative, and association. Third one is environmental groups, which has Malaysia Nature Society (MNS), advocates for reducing vehicle emission and protecting urban green space. So the next one is MIROS, conduct study on how road design and reduce emission and improve safety. So the next one, we have passenger or consumer. Daily commuters using cars, motorcycle, bus, and e-hailing. Students, workers, tourists, and rural residents who rely on road transport for mobility. Next, the last one is commercial users to depend on road networks for delivering goods. So the last one, we have community organization, which include residents and associations, NGOs such as MIROS, and local road safety committees. Now we move to the case study, which is the case study of the UPSI bus accident in 2025. Okay, now the incident happened on 9 June 2025 at KM 53 East-West Highway Gerik to Jeli Road near Bainun, Gerik, Perak. The accident involved a chartered bus carrying UPSI students, not a bus owned by UPSI. The accident occurred when the bus allegedly collided with the rear of an MPV, causing it to lose control and overturn. This case study is to investigate the interaction between the components and stakeholders, impact the efficiency and effectiveness, issue and challenge of the case. We move to the components and stakeholder interaction. For stakeholder, we have Nuri Maju Trading, Kenari Utara Travel and Tour, bus driver, UPSI students, Road Transport Department, Community, Fire and Rescue Department, Ministry of Health, Royal Malaysia Police. Now for the components, we have vehicle or transportation, then we have driver, passenger, emergency response. Now I will explain how the incident affect the efficiency and effectiveness impact of the road system. These points show the real operational impact that happened after the road failure. The first impact is reduced passenger safety and reliability, which is passenger could not rely on the service for safe travel, reducing the overall effectiveness of chartered bus transportation. Next, we have operator inefficiency. Permit leasing and non-compliance with regulation cause confusion and delay proper oversight. The third one, we have public trust and perception. The accident caused widespread public concern over the safety of private chartered bus. Then the fourth one, we have delay in transportation service. It disrupts schedule of other road users, reducing overall transportation efficiency. So the last one is financial and operational costs, which additionally burden on operators and government agency, affect cost efficiency of service. We move to the main issue and challenge that related to the road system. This point highlights the operational, environmental, and safety problems that make road management more complex. One is infrastructure and road condition, which winding downhill section of east to west highway increase accident risk. Road lack emergency lane or safety buffer for high risk vehicle. So the second one is economic and operational challenge, which costs incur for rescue, medical treatment, legal action, and insurance claims. Temporary disruption of other road users due to accident-related congestion. So the third one is systemic and structural weaknesses, which fragmented responsibility between operator, regulator, and passengers. So the fourth one is public trust and perception. Some universities and parents question the reliability of student transport arrangements. So for the last one is emergency response and coordination, which terrain and congestion delay emergency service, highlighting gaps in preparedness. Now, I will present several recommendations to improve the road safety and efficiency based on the issue identified in my case study. So we have stricter driver screening and monitoring, which limit working hours and monitor compliance with road safety rules. Next, we have infrastructure and road safety measures, which consider nighttime travel restriction for heavy passenger vehicle on steep or winding roads. The third one, we have emergency preparedness and response. It is to ensure coordinate rescue protocols between police, fire, and medical service. For the fourth one, we have university and student coordination. Students should be educated to choose safe and licensed operators. Last one is mandatory safety device. All chartered bus must have seatbelt, speed limiting device, and GPS tracking to ensure passenger safety. To conclude, this case demonstrates how failures in vehicle safety, driver competence, and regulatory oversight can have serious consequences. The accident affects student bus operators, regulatory authorities, emergency responder, and the wider community. The accident exposed several weaknesses in the system, which is lack of mandatory safety device, insufficient driver screening, poor regulatory enforcement, and limited emergency preparedness. Well, to prevent similar tragedies in the future, it is crucial to implement mandatory safety equipment on all buses. Next, we have straightened driver selection training. And the last one, we have stronger regulation and stakeholder coordination. That's all.